Selenium is an automation tool or suite of tools which can automate only web-based application. It support to the multiple browsers like Firefox, Safari, Chrome, Edge, Opera, and it is a platform independent. Like it can be used on different operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac, and it support to the multiple programming language as well, like Java, Python, Ruby, and it allow tester to perform variety of browser actions, similar as clicking, typing, submitting form, or navigating through the pages, handling cautions, etc. Or we can select the drop down. Okay, so it fluently integrated with popular testing architecture as well, like TestNG, JUnit, NUnit, as well as integration with common integration tool like Jenkins. So this integration enable automatic implementation of tests upon code commit, and it ensuring continuous testing in the development channel. So there are some common methods. There are some easy methods in the Selenium like driver.get. It is used to launch the URL. Driver.close. It is used to close the parent tab or close the current open window. Or driver.quit. It is close the parent and child both tab. Then driver.get window handle and driver.get window handles. So driver.get window handle is used to it gives us the parent browser ID, and driver.get window handle it is always gives us the parent and child browser ID. This is all about the Selenium part. Then the next topic will be the locator. Okay, so the locators are used to locate the specific web element on web page. When we automate web application using Selenium, we must interact with the element like button, links, checkbox, input field, drop down, and you must identify these elements using unique locator to interact with them. So locators can be ID, name, class name, tag name, then class name, tag name, then XPath, link text, partial link text, CSS selector. Okay, CSS selector is cascading style sheet. Okay, these are the locators. Okay, so here we can see XPath. In XPath, there are two types of XPath: absolute XPath and relative XPath. It is a syntax. XPath is a syntax for finding the elements on web page, and it can be used on both HTML and XML document. If element not found by other locators, then XPath is used to find the element like any complex element on the web page. So the absolute XPath travels from parent tag name to child tag name with the help of forward slash. Okay, and the relative XPath travels to any child or parent tag name directly with the help of double forward slash. So the syntax of absolute XPath is like slash HTML, then one more slash body, then one more slash input, like this. And the syntax for our relative XPath is double forward slash tag name, then square bracket at attribute name is equal to in single quote attribute value. Okay, this is all about our locators.